What's up YouTube? Jeff back again. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. And as I mentioned, as I start this new journey with my personal channel, I'm going to be getting into a lot more hardware on this channel, and I've always wanted to have a drone, and I don't own a drone yet. So I went out and got the DJI Mini 5 Pro. They did not send this to me. Today we're going to do an unboxing. This is my first drone ever. Purchased it myself. This is not available in the US, so if you're curious where I got this, I bought it on eBay, imported it from South Korea. I think it was around $1,200. This is the Fly More combo with the DJI RC2. This is the more premium remote that's got your display on there. Comes with some extra accessories as well. So I want to show you guys what's in the box. I'm going to do a review on this drone too, hoping to make some more, cinematic footage now that I have, a drone, and also going to be getting some other camera equipment and things like that that hopefully will take some of the unboxings and reviews I do on this channel to the next level. But this might also be very helpful for me over on the Sammy Guru channel, because who knows, I may want to get some cinematic footage with the drone of various Samsung phones. Anyway, this is, again, just an unboxing, and then I will do some test footage and all that kind of stuff very soon as well. And here you're going to get the carrying case, which DJI has included on a lot of their various products. I also got the Ronin gimbal for my camera, for my Sony a7 IV, and that thing also comes with a carrying case. It's got a nice strap there. See right there on the zipper lining itself. Unbox this here, and we can see what we get inside. First here, we got the drone itself. So I'll set this aside and we'll take a look at it at the very end. Looks like it's got some new strap design from what I've seen from a few other people unboxing this already. In here, we've got some more things that come with the Fly More combo. This right here is the battery cradle. You see you've got a battery that's probably already in the drone, I would imagine, then you get 2 additional batteries. I do think if you're gonna pick up one of these, the Fly More combo, at least, there's also a Fly More combo plus, but at least the Fly More combo, I think, is a good way to go, because you do get all these extra accessories, and especially those batteries, because you're definitely gonna want those if you're gonna be flying it for any amount of time. Inside this box, there's going to be a lot of stuff. You've got the USB-C to C charging cable. You've got a bunch of extra propellers, again, which comes in the Fly More combo, which is very useful to have, obviously, if you're going to be putting in serious flight with this, capturing a lot of footage. They are labeled, so you know which is which. This one was a little surprising. I saw someone else unbox this, and I was super surprised to see this in there. These are the ND filters, which I didn't even know these came in this one, because I thought they came in the Fly More Plus, but these are the ND filters. So you used to have to buy these separately. So if you're going to capture a lot of outdoor footage, you're obviously going to want these with your drone. You used to have to order them separately. They come in a nice snap case with the DJI branding, so definitely an added perk. And of course, in here, you're going to get all your instructions, things like that. You've got DJI stickers that you can put on the drone. I don't even know, is this in English? It's probably, none of the instructions are probably in English, because this is not being sold. Oh, actually, no, you've got English instructions too. English instructions, you got your stickers there. So all that good stuff. Over here, there's how the carrying case looks, by the way. You can see the various compartments. So if you want to put some of this stuff back in there, obviously you can use this carrying case to kind of carry everything around while you're using the drone, while you're flying it. This is going to be the controller here. Adhesive is really on there in their packaging, I will say that. This isn't a new model of the controller. I spent a long time researching when I was thinking about buying this or the Mini 4 Pro, because I knew this was coming out sometime soon. But this seems like really the best controller to get. The other controller, which doesn't have a display, does not seem like the way to go. So that's why, again, I think you should go with the Fly More combo with this controller. It just seems like the best overall value. So you've got the controller there. Here's the drone itself. Like I said, you got the straps, you got this cover that goes over the top for the gimbal. So you can go ahead and take this off here. This kind of looks like the Mavic drone now, so you can kind of see that. You can see how the propellers are labeled there. A little bit of wobble there to the cover, but that's okay, because I haven't taken the cover itself off yet. Let's pull that off. And there's what the drone itself looks like once you actually get it kind of unfurled there. Does look kind of like a mini Mavic drone, the way they've changed the design a little bit. You've got this 1-inch sensor, which all the leaks that pointed to the 1-inch sensor is the main reason that I ended up waiting for the Mini 5 Pro. Now, it is very expensive if you import this to the US, like I said, because it's not being sold here officially because of all the potential bans with DJI drones. The Mini 4 Pro is also very expensive though too, probably only about $200 cheaper if you wanted to import it. So I really don't know that that's a huge deal, and that's why I ended up going with the newer one to get that, you know, that better sensor and everything, and also, you know, just might as well be, you know, future-proofing it if you're going to spend the money. Back here, you've got your slot for your SD card and, of course, your USB-C charging. Anyway, I'm really excited to get going on the Mini 5 Pro using this for some footage. You guys will see some more aerial footage, some really cool stuff coming to the channel. And I will have a full review of this. I've never reviewed a drone before, so that'll be a lot of fun too. Getting to try out all kinds of new stuff here on the channel, which is what I'm really excited about. Hope you guys will come along with me the journey. If you are a huge Samsung smartphone fan, Samsung fan in general, go check out the Sammy Guru channel. He's also having a lot of fun over there. Daily content over there, just like I did before on this channel. Appreciate you guys checking out the video. And if you did, let me know what you think of the Mini 5 Pro below. If you own a drone, give me some tips because like I said, this is my first one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.